Hi everybody, this is Petra from Wildcat Farm. Today with a little unusual update from Germany, and I have some news for you. Not really news, but I just wanted to show you some of the new t-shirts from our Spreadshirt shops. We have a Spreadshirt shop here in Germany and one in the US, and I just this week got some t-shirts that I ordered to see, check out the quality and everything, and I got them in the mail for me and from my family, and I was really impressed and very pleased with the results. As you can see here, I'm wearing a t-shirt with our farm logo in the front. It's really cute, and I think it looks actually really nice. And we also have t-shirts that have the same logo, not only in the front, but some that have the logo in the back. So that's really neat too. The t-shirts come in all kinds of various colors and different styles for men and women. Really cool. And we have different designs also, of course. Not just the farm logo with the Wildcat on it, but also some that have various other designs on it. One of my favorites, of course, is the one with our little puppy on it, little big puppy. The t-shirt with Barnaby on it. This says Aussie Crazy, which is quite cute, I think. It has Barnaby on it, and it comes in various shirts. And I love this one myself because, yeah, I just think Barnaby's awesome. Anyway, but lots of nice t-shirts, so if you want to check it out, the link is in the banner on the YouTube page, and also, of course, on our Facebook page, and I will also leave the links below to the Spreadshirt shops in Germany and the US. And, well, what else do we have? We also have not really a whole lot of news from here, except that next weekend I finally have my appointment at the consulate to get my visa, and it only took like what, half a year or so to finally get this far. And hopefully next Monday on the 2nd is my medical, and on Tuesday is my appointment at the consulate, and after that, hopefully, I will finally get my visa and be able to follow Mike to the States. It's still going to take a little while until I can go. I still have to work a bit, and also we don't have any water or heating or anything in the house yet, and so I'm going to still stay here until the worst of winter is over, and probably by the end of January I will finally take the dog and get on an airplane and go to the States. Really, really, really excited about that. And yes, what else did I want to say? I wanted to say thank you. Thank you so much, all you guys in Missouri that live close to us, all of our neighbors, and the people that have been so helpful. I am just amazed, totally amazed at the at all you guys that you are so helpful, and it's been mind-blowing. That's all I can say. Without you guys, without everyone out there that's helping Michael in so many ways, this would not be possible. And at least it would be quite a lot harder than it is now. And it's just, we are blessed with great neighbors, with good friends, and people who help whatever they can. It's really amazing. Thank you so much to the Blancs, to Adam Blanc, for doing an amazing job of mowing our yard. Really, really cool. absolutely great. Thanks to Larry for being there and whenever Michael needs to get word out or anything else. Thank you. I have no words to say thank you enough to uh, to Jackie and Jennifer Barton, who have been picking Mike up and taking him back and forth on errands and just being such a great help. It's I'm at a loss for words. Thank you so much. I will definitely personally thank you once I get there, but I just had to get this off of my heart to say that I am amazed at how friendly and helpful everybody is there. And I cannot wait to finally meet all you guys and to be part of this community. It's absolutely great. I already love it. I'm not even there yet, and I think it's amazing. But the farm is looking great already. Michael has been so he's been so busy and trying to get everything done as much as possible, and it's great. And um, I'm excited, very excited. But well, basically, what I wanted to tell everybody is that I'm still here. I'm still kicking and yeah, holding on and biding my time and being very excited and anxious to get going and to finally start this new life, this very new, exciting life that we've been looking forward to for so long, and we've been working so hard to get at. And to thank everyone out there, you guys out there watching this, and to thank our new neighbors and all the people there that you're helping us to make this dream come true. I just want to say thank you, and I'll talk to you again next time. Bye for Wildcat Farm.